Welcome to Tech Talks. In this video we will be talking about the best 20 Google Chrome extensions. Subscribe to Tech Talks, and click on the bell icon for latest tech hacks. Here's a list of my favorite extensions for Google Chrome that I depend on every day. These recommended extensions will improve your productivity and also enhance your overall web browsing experience. Watch the video till the end for some cool extensions. VMC, browse the web, interact with web pages, navigate browser history using keyboard shortcuts. Inspired by Vim commands. Fika, read pages in a Kindle-style clean layout with beautiful typography while hiding the distracting parts. Push Bullet, easily transfer web page links, text notes, or push photos and files from the computer to your phone and vice versa. One Tab helps you save all your open tabs in a group and duplicate your session anytime later with a click. Gmail Sender icons, quickly identify the sending domain of an email in Gmail without opening the message. Bubble Cursor, the add-on makes it easy for you to click on links that are too small to select with your mouse or for typing inside input boxes. Picture-in-Picture helps you watch YouTube videos in an always-on-top floating window while you work on other tasks. Zoho Annotator, a simple ad-free screenshot capture tool with a built-in editor for annotating images. Also integrates with Google Drive, OneDrive and Dropbox. Loom, record a screencast video with voice narration, include your webcam video and share instantly. URL Render, instead of clicking individual links on the Google search page, hover your mouse and instantly view the underlying page in a floating window. Clipped, a universal clipboard for Android and desktop computers. Copy any text on your phone and instantly paste it on the desktop and vice versa. Hover Zoom, hover your mouse over any thumbnail image on sites like Facebook and Amazon and the add-on will enlarge the image to its full size. Quick Source Viewer, a better alternative to the native view source option that displays both JS and CSS files in addition to HTML content. Save to Drive, right-click and save the current web page, or images on a page, to your Google Drive. Google Input, type text in any language of your choice using virtual keyboards. Google Dictionary, use this add-on to view definitions of words and learn their correct pronunciation. Blacklist, block specific sites and entire domains from appearing in your Google search results. Gmail Notes, attach sticky notes to your email message that are persistent and will show up the next time you open that same email inside Gmail. Tab Notes, a minimalistic start page for Chrome that opens a simple notepad in each new tab where you can quickly jot down your totos and notes. Hope you liked the content. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel.